Hi guys, and welcome back to another VLOGOWEEN video. Okay you guys, welcome back to part 2 of this video. I hope that the lighting's alright for you guys. I always feel like it's not, but I think it's because the dimness on my phone is turned right down. So I have got this sculpted gel nail here. This is the first ever sculpted gel I've done. If you want to see how I got this, that is part 1, which will have been up yesterday, hopefully. In today's video, we are going to be using these decals and we're going to be layering them up. Now I saw Susie from Nail Career Education doing something similar to this. She did a gorgeous set where she kind of like put some dots on and then put some gel and then did more and layered it up, and it looked so cool. And I thought this might be like a fun experiment. This isn't supposed to be like a serious nail. I mean, if it turns out looking ace, then yes, I'm very happy. But I'm not expecting this to be something that people would actually have on their nails. Although maybe for like specific events it would be fun. So yeah, I'm basically just going to go in and just have a go at this. So first thing I'm going to do is go in with my first decal and hope that I can get it on. Now I haven't got a sticky layer, so I might have to go in, like I might have to go in and get with another layer, but I'm hoping not, just because these are already going to be so thick. Yeah, I just don't think I'm going to get her stuck down without a sticky layer, if I'm honest. Oh my god. Why are you doing this to me? No, there's just not a chance. So I am going to have to go in with a sticky layer. And what I'm going to do is just take my Forma Gel in clear and almost do as if I was doing a slip layer, basically. Now actually, I was going to cure this and then put her in the sticky layer. But you know what, let's just try whacking her straight in the gel. Okay, so we've got her in the gel now. I'm not going to be able to go over this with monomer because I haven't cured it, which was probably a mistake, but it's fine. I'm going to cure that now. Right guys, so now I'm going to go in with some more gel now over the top. I'm basically just doing it at the moment in more of a wiping motion. When I get further down, I'm going to make them further apart from each other. But just because I've already got quite a bit of thickness on that nail bed. I mean, it's okay if it's quite thick, I guess. I take the thickness down, further down the nail, because the tip of the nail is not too thick. Okay, so that's what it's looking like so far. I'm just going to tip her a little bit and then cure. Okay, so that's cured. I'm now going to move further down and I'm going to put Sarah here. Oh, I should have done Winifred to the side, shouldn't I? But never mind. I'm thinking I might go in with like some detailing and some stuff later on as well. Now in this case, the side of the nail, this bit of the nail here is going to be covered, so I'm not going to worry too much about that. So if that's a little bit crumpled, it's fine. Because really we want all this part to be as flat and as like proper as it is. So there's not that much difference in the layering, but you can see that she's above her. Does that make sense? I just think this is gonna look so fun. And what I might do is put some gems or something down this side. Thinking about it now, I should have put Mary here, like going in, and Sarah there. That would have been better, but you know, we learn from these mistakes. So I'm now gonna go in with the gel. And I'm gonna just go here for now, because this is the part we want to try and build up. Just gonna go in with that sort of slip layer. We have broken her a little bit this time, but it's okay. It's all good. I've got this. Now I do want Winifred to be looking like she's a lot more risen. I think. Going with a little bit more. Kind of where I'm going to be putting Winifred. Oh, which I think is going to be about here. Okay, so again, I'm just gonna pop that upside down for a second. Oh, she lost her ring then, it nearly went in the gel. That was a close one. And then I'm gonna cure. So I'm now going to go in with Winifred. And she's just going to go here. That looks so cool. And then what I'm wanting to do is I want to put something in this corner. If I'd have done this again, I always do these without like properly practicing. I already know a few different things that I would do differently. I wouldn't have cured Mary into the stuff. I would have cured it and then put her in the sticky layer. Much easier. And I would have done her to the side. However, it's fine. It's not an issue. We can sort this out. I'm going to try putting a broom there and see if it works. I want to move it, but I'm scared it's going to rip it if I do. That's kind of added a little bit of something to it, I think, hasn't it? That is moving. Just. Yeah, that's better. So we've got the broomstick is now there. So now we're going to go back in. Where is my brush? Very gently. Ooh. Scared to do as a slip because it's a bit harsh on the decal. So now, I've got one more thing I'm wanting to add. I'm wanting to make sure that it's nicely risen at the end, and I kind of need it to be quite high so that what I'm putting on will wrap around, if that makes sense. I think it will work. I think it should fit, hopefully. Right. Just hold her upside down for a second and then back in the lamp. So that has cured, and the final thing that I'm going to put on is just this little cauldron. And the reason why I was saying it needs to be quite high, because I want it to like wrap around the nail. And I think, yes. That looks really cool. Right, let me just get my monomer because I can see the outline and we don't want to see the outline. That looks super cool. I love that. Need some on the end here, maybe like a gem or something. I think that looks pretty cool though. So now it's just about going, I'm just gonna then do what I've been doing all throughout and go over the whole thing and finish like any structure that needs to be made can be done now. I'm going to hold that upside down for a second and then cure it, and then that will be that. Okay, you guys, so I have buffed, well, filed and buffed, and I had to be careful because I was starting to hit the decals, but I'm now going to go in with a no wipe top coat and just top coat all of this bad boy. that is it. And I'm going to cure it. And then this is the finished result. I can't see the screen because my phone's on 5% battery and it's about to die. But I'm really happy with it. I think it's really cute. And actually, it's not that thick. Like, because it's a long nail, you'd want it pretty thick anyway. You could get away with wearing this as like, with a set of nails. I really, really like it. Let me know what you guys think if you like the idea of the layering. I think I'm going to do some more of this technique and play about more. I always do everything for the first time with you guys, so I haven't even had like a chance to think about how it would work best or practice or try and leave it out. You guys are seeing it here first time. If you enjoyed this video, please do give me a thumbs up. Your support means the world to me, and I'm wanting to grow our little family and carry on these videos. So please give me a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button if you're not already subscribed. Definitely leave me some comments down below, and I will see you guys in the next video. Love you guys. Bye.